The automotive landscape is changing. SUVs are everywhere. But not all SUVs are created equal. The 2024 Kia Seltos is here to redefine what a compact SUV can be. It's stylish, versatile, and packed with features. The Seltos is ready to take on the urban jungle or the open road. This isn't just a refresh. The 2024 Seltos is a bold evolution. It comes with redesigned front and rear bumpers for a more aggressive stance. The grilles are new, adding sophistication. New wheel designs complete the package. The Seltos is instantly recognizable. The LED headlights and taillights are not just stylish, they improve visibility for safer driving. The Seltos is all about options. It comes in several trims to suit your needs and budget. The LX trim is the entry point to the Seltos family. It's packed with value. The S trim adds more features and comfort. For those who want it all, there's the EX trim. But there's one trim that stands out, the X line. It strikes the perfect balance between price and features. The 2024 Kia Seltos is a head-turner. Its design is both modern and timeless, with sleek lines and a bold presence. The redesigned front grille is more prominent, flanked by updated LED headlights for a sharper, more focused look. The lower fascia features a wider air intake and redesigned fog lamp housings, emphasizing the Seltos' athletic stance. Along the sides, the Seltos retains its signature dynamic profile with sharp character lines and muscular wheel arches. Newly designed alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 18 inches, further enhance the Seltos' athletic appeal. The rear of the vehicle echoes the front's modern design language. Updated LED taillights feature a distinctive lighting signature that stretches across the tailgate, creating a sense of width and sophistication. A redesigned rear bumper with integrated reflectors and a sporty diffuser completes the Seltos' bold new look. The Seltos is available in a range of colors to match your personality. Choose from classic shades like Snow White Pearl and Aurora Black Pearl, or opt for something more vibrant like Pluton Blue or Fusion Orange. The 2024 Kia Seltos is sure to turn heads wherever you go. It's a statement of your style and confidence. The 2024 Kia Seltos offers two engine options, each designed to deliver a rewarding driving experience. The standard engine is a 2-liter 4-cylinder that produces 146 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission that prioritizes fuel efficiency for your daily commute. For drivers seeking more thrills, the Seltos offers a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine. This peppy power plant generates 195 horsepower and 195 lb-ft of torque, providing a noticeable boost in acceleration and passing power. The turbocharged engine is paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission for quick and responsive gear changes. Both engine options offer a good balance of power and efficiency, making the Seltos a great choice for both city driving and weekend getaways. The Seltos suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up bumps and dips in the road with ease. Steering is light and precise, making the Seltos easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Whether you choose the standard engine or the turbocharged option, the 2024 Kia Seltos delivers a confident and enjoyable driving experience. The 2024 Kia Seltos welcomes you with a spacious and well-designed interior. High-quality materials and thoughtful touches create a premium ambiance. The cabin is surprisingly roomy for a compact SUV, with ample headroom and legroom for both front and rear passengers. The Seltos offers a range of comfort features to enhance your driving experience. Heated and ventilated front seats are available, ensuring you're comfortable no matter the weather. The driver's seat is power adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect driving position. Synthetic leather upholstery comes standard, with the option to upgrade to genuine leather in higher trims. Technology takes center stage in the Seltos, with a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system. This user-friendly system includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to seamlessly integrate your smartphone. A 6-speaker audio system provides clear and crisp sound. For an even more immersive experience, the Seltos offers an optional 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with navigation. This system is paired with a premium Bose audio system with 8 speakers, transforming your Seltos into a concert hall on wheels. Kia understands that safety is paramount, which is why the 2024 Seltos is equipped with an array of advanced safety features. Every Seltos comes standard with Kia DriveWise, a suite of driver assistance systems designed to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. Forward collision avoidance assist with pedestrian detection can automatically apply the brakes to help avoid or mitigate a collision. Lane keeping assist helps you stay in your lane, providing gentle steering corrections if you start to drift. Blind spot collision. Warning alerts you to vehicles in your blind spots, while rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist helps you reverse out of parking spaces with confidence. The Seltos also features a reinforced structure made from high-strength steel, enhancing occupant protection in the event of a collision. Multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags, provide comprehensive coverage for all occupants. The Seltos has received a 5-star overall safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA. The 2024 Kia Seltos has garnered praise from automotive journalists and industry experts alike. Its stylish design, spacious interior, and comprehensive list of features have made it a standout in the competitive compact SUV segment. Car and Driver commends the Seltos for its stylish design, spacious interior, and good fuel economy. Kelley Blue Book praises the Seltos for its value-packed pricing, comfortable ride, and user-friendly technology. Motor Trend highlights the Seltos' peppy engine options, well-tuned suspension, and comprehensive safety features. The Seltos has consistently ranked among the top compact SUVs, surpassing rivals such as the Honda HR-V, Toyota CHR, and Mazda CX-30. Experts appreciate the Seltos' blend of style, practicality, and value, making it an ideal choice for a wide range of buyers. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or an empty nester, the 2024 Kia Seltos offers something for everyone. The 2024 Kia Seltos is available in a range of trims, each offering a unique combination of features and value. The entry-level LX trim provides a great starting point, with features such as LED headlights, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and Kia DriveWise. The S trim builds upon the LX, adding features such as 17-inch alloy wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and blind spot monitoring. The X trim offers even more refinement, with features such as heated front seats, a sunroof, a power-adjustable driver's seat, and a wireless phone charger. The top-of-the-line SX Turbo trim comes loaded with features such as 18-inch alloy wheels, a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a Bose audio system, and leather upholstery. With such a diverse lineup, you're sure to find the perfect 2024 Kia Seltos to fit your needs and budget. The 2024 Kia Seltos is more than just a compact SUV, it's a statement. It's a statement that says you're stylish, you're practical, and you demand the best. With its bold design, advanced technology, and commitment to safety, the Seltos is ready to take on your next adventure. Visit your local Kia dealership today to experience the 2024 Seltos for yourself. Take it for a test drive, explore its features, and discover why the Seltos is the perfect compact SUV for your modern life. The Kia Seltos is waiting for you. Don't just drive, experience the drive.